Here's a nice one. We got this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LT with the Duramax diesel. It's been a minute before we had a diesel, especially an LT package. Usually those are reserved for your high countries and LTZ models. Just gonna go brief rundown on this one. Of course, the LTs will have the chrome grille. This is where you plug in your engine heater, engine block heater. We'll go around. This one has the 20-inch wheels, part of that All-Star Plus package. And we'll show that here in a bit on this model. This is the Summit White with black leather interior. Let's get a good view of it. Of course, when you get those upper end engines, you do have the dual exhaust ports. This is the 3.0 diesel, and you can hear how quiet it is back here. Not much noise in the engine too up front. It's a good view of the bed. This is a 5'9" bed with your plug-ins back here and your lights for the bed. There's another part of that All-Star Edition Plus is your rear sliding window. It is powered. Down below you have your 4-pin and 7-pin connection for towing. This one tows, I believe, 9,000 pounds. I can check on the door here in a little bit. Stay tuned for that. And we'll go into the back. This one does have the 4-inch chrome steps. Which is a nice touch, as you can see back here. You do have your cubby holes in the back on these leather seating. Lift that up. There's your jack. There's the actual cord for the engine block heater for those Arctic-like climates. There's a view of those power ports there, USB-C and USB, rear vents. Let's go up to the front. Good view of those doors. Nice trim. This is a refresh model, of course. Better view of those seats inside and the front. Hidden top glove box, and of course your bottom. Going over here, you have your large screen. It's a 13.2 diagonal and a 12.3 diagonal screen for the speedometer and all your digital display. LT models will have these large displays on there. If it has the bucket seats, which this one does, you'll have the console shift there. But if it has the bench, you'll have the column shift, which is traditional on the Silverado truck. Of course, all your wipers, the paddle shifters are on the console shift there. All right, it does have the heated steering wheel for collision alert. This is your cruise control. Over to the right is your driver information center and your phone control to hang up and answer the phone. Quite a bit of stuff on here. Nice feature is just the cameras. Show you what's behind. The more cameras you have, the more it shows. I'll go ahead and exit out of there. I like how this map's real large. You have the Google Maps on here now, and Google Controls. That's where you do your trailering. If you want to load a profile in there, this is where you would put your phone in, your music, and then all this does is go back to home. And that's all. Down below your buttons, first button right there is going to be your lane keep assist and lane departure warning, auto stop. That's going to be your power release tailgate. That's going to be hazard light, stability tracker, traction control, and of course hill descent control. Those are where all those buttons are located at. This one is push start, as all of the 2022 models are, with the new refresh. And then this is going to be your trailer brake controller. You have heated seats for the driver and front passenger, as well as the driver and front passenger climate control. This is a little different. The big fan just turns the fan up. Little fan turns the fan down. does have, you can change your climate to whatever you see fit. Down below you have your charger for your phone. It's wireless, and you got more charging ports there. Another plug-in right below. I'll put this back in. Shifter's a little different. Kind of hard to see. We're getting some glare action in here, but everything is now. Well, I gotta buckle my seat up. Safety first, even in the parking lot. So we're gonna go reverse, and that's gonna be reverse. To do drive, you push down, and to get into this L range, you'll push down again, and you'll use these paddle shifters to select what gear you're in. This is a 10-speed automatic, so that's where you would adjust that. And of course, right over here you have your power mirrors and power windows and power door locks. On the display, you do have your tow haul mode here, and then your driving mode. The driving mode is just going to change your driving characteristics. That's all that does. Most time you're just going to be in normal mode. This does have a 2-speed transfer case, and those can be shifted here. 2 high. Automatic will go between 2 high and 4 high. Then you have a 4 high and then 4 lows, only accessible in lower speeds. When you need more control, you need to be in neutral to set this to low. There's your lights for your bed, for your bed cab lights. And leave this in automatic, and your headlights will use this feature here. It's Intella beams. They'll automatically come on and off without you doing anything at all. There's another view of that trim on there. As promised, here is the towing package for this model down below. And it's right there. Conventional trailer is 9,000 pounds. I'll pull this sticker down so you can see what's all on there. Something I forgot to show is right here. The depth, of course, has been moved. Some of the HD trucks in the past had it below the under the hood, under the firewall. Of course, your diesel goes there. And I've got that window sticker peeled off just to show a little close-up of all the goodies on this one. Just going to go real slow. If you want to pause the movie here, and you can kind of see what everything's on there. That's a cool thing, that if you're using this as a regular truck for personal use, it's got a 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty on all diesels. Nice little tidbit. Otherwise it's 5 years, 60,000 miles. Mileage is really great on these. The average is 24, 22 city, 26 highway. I've had several people break the 30 mark on these that have bought these trucks. More features for you. And let's go over here, see what we got. And there's that new package we talked about, the All-Star Edition Plus, that gets you your universal remote for your garage door opener, your power slide in your rear window, hitch guidance with hitch view, your trailer brake controller, your trailering app, and your 20-inch wheels with grazed and painted pockets. Of course, this one is a leather truck with Z71 suspension upgrade. And the steps, looks like there were no microchips missing on this model, which is a nice change, but they did have a credit there for the steering column lock, so it won't have that. There's the price. You can go to buywithbenny.com to secure this vehicle. Very grateful for you taking the time to watch this video. Subscribe for more. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the year's over. Have a wonderful day.